Have you ever really inspected the inside of the liquid cooling manifold? The liquid cooling manifold distributes coolant to multiple branch circuits. With its complex internal flow channels, conventional visual inspection alone cannot reveal the actual internal condition. For such slender, multi-branch internal passages, an industrial borescope enables visual inspection without the need to disassemble the component. By inspecting the main channel and each branch passage one by one, you can directly examine weld quality, machine surface finish, and detect visible anomalies such as machine debris, weld slag, or foreign matter, providing reliable evidence for product quality control. Inspection results can be documented with images for quality traceability, and the method is applicable to incoming material inspection, in-process sampling, new product process validation, and after-sale field analysis. The industrial borescope makes the internal condition of the liquid cooling manifold clearly visible, offering a more intuitive and efficient approach to quality control.